Olá amigos, estou aqui na Figueira da Foz a passar uns dias com a família e aproveitar para fazer aqui umas geocaches, por isso fica aí para ver este vídeo. Até já! Estou aqui a caminho do farol, vou ao encontro de uma geocache e além ao fundo a Figueira da Foz, este lindo dia com o sol um pouco envergonhado.
surfing bird. Mau 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 papa mau mau papa mau mau papa mau.
Well, every day we spend together, it's touched my heart forever.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as
Figueira da Foz. Com certeza vou regressar um dia. E é isto, meus amigos. Um grande abraço e até um próximo vídeo.